Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you this shower head that we got from Amazon.
So what's the story behind the shower head?
So the story behind it is I was in the shower and yeah, the bit that tilts to put the shower down, I put it down and then it snapped off.
Was there anything else in the boxes?
I don't think so. The headset.
Yeah, come on then, let's go. Let's go. So we've got that shower head. Quite nice, you can change it. Different settings, looks pretty cool. On and off, so you don't soak yourself when you're trying to put it back.
Wait, so you don't have to put it down anymore?
No.
Just turn it off.
No, but that's not the top one, it's got a side. Put the side. We've got these bits here. These are the bits you're gonna connect. I presume. So a quick look at the instructions here and a cap and some washers. So
The filter.
filter. Well, let's go over the plasticky bit. Let's do it all as we go along. So we've got filter there. There. I presume that goes on. You've got to move your camera to me.
Because then I might get you.
Oh, right, nice, yeah, good point. So,
Check something for
yeah, something just fall off, yeah. So I'll just put that one on first.
There's a filter not going.
Yeah, the filter has been put there. There's two filters. I'm not sure if this is going to fit right. It may fit right anyway. Okay, so let me just. No, it does fit. I didn't need that other adapter bit. Clearly got that one, didn't I? So that was a bit of a waste of money. Anyway, you live and you learn. The adapter bit in case it wasn't the right size. So, to just try it. So normally, I get water there. Pull this bit up. Pull this bit up, please. Oh no.
I think when you put it a lot of water, like a lot of pressure. Yeah, and then you do it and then.
Oh, that's leaking. That didn't work very well, did it?
It worked though.
Right, so one second. That's going to go in there, you see.
Yeah, now I know what that's for.
Show you. So that didn't work very
I think
good.
you might want to put cold water because it's late.
We should stack the filter and put straight on. This is just a seal, some sealant stuff here. Close the door, close the door, close the door. Try that again. So, we didn't put the wash on this time. Got some things are slipping, so I'm going to get some tissue. You've got some tape, just plumber's tape kind of stuff. So that goes, yeah. Let's see, let's put in cold children. So, like that. That's not working very good, is it? I'm not really impressed with that.
It's that bit. This bit's like maybe it's a different part that goes in it.
That's not really good at all, is it? So, let's try and get it off now.
Turn the top off. Should I try and get that stuff off?
Yeah, maybe. But it's like a sealant, isn't it? It's like a sealant thing to seal it. Not really impressive though, is it? Maybe it is a washer. There's a washer somewhere here. Ah, there's no washer here. Let's try that.
Oh yeah, I think that might work. Is that what washers are for? To stop the water leaking?
What's the kind of rubbery washer out there, yeah.
Because I think now it's extended now.
Is it?
Yeah, because before it was a bit down.
Let's try it now. Yeah. Might be perfect, but let's try it. Oh yeah! Yeah! That works. Is it leaking?
A bit, tiny bit.
Right, so that's, you can change the settings to real
Oh, that's
jet
giving off some steam.
there. Lots of different settings. And let's see if this works. It may make a right mess. No, you can switch it off completely from there. Pretty cool, pretty powerful as well,
But
isn't it?
then it's just gonna leak, isn't it?
Yeah. So what we'll do, just turn it off. And
I
that's
don't
it.
think it's off properly. One of them, because it's still coming through. Oh, you maybe need to put that down, yeah.
So what we need to do is just get a bit tighter.
So you're not gonna put the filter on?
No, we've got filtered that end.
Oh, okay.
That's what we need. So yeah, that's cool. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, that's not good though. That's going to be like that, so yeah, you can go down your showers now. Don't mess with it though, because you make a mess. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah, big.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's good, yeah.
You've got to be careful with that when you put it back on though, don't be snapping that. Look, that's the problem. That's what's happened, the whole thing snapped off and we're going to have to wait for somebody to come to fix it, which is a bit difficult at the moment for obvious reasons, because of the virus problems and lockdown. So let's see how we go. Yeah.
Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Peace out.
Bye. We've got the other one here now. I did buy another part.